Now, the critical appraisal of agriculture development 1950-1990. Indian economy inherited stagnant and backward agriculture sector from the British rule. So, immediately after the independence, Indian government undertook various measures to improve the condition of agriculture. The land reform measures and Green Revolution were the greatest achievement in enhancing the agriculture productivity. Between 1950 and 1990, there had been substantial increase in agriculture productivity. As a result, Green Revolution, India became self-sufficient in food production. Land reform resulted in abolition of zamindari system. Proportion of GDP between 1950 and 1990 contributed by agriculture declined significantly, but not the population depending on it. Around 65% of country's population continued to be employed in agriculture even till 1990. Agriculture output could have been grown with much less people working in the sector. But industrial and the service sector were unable to absorb the extra people involved in agriculture. The involvement of such a large proportion of the population in agriculture was regarded as the important failure of the policies followed during 1950-1990. So, as it's discussed in the agriculture sector, the Green Revolution, land reforms, both benefited the Indian economy in increasing the agricultural production, making India self-sufficient in food production. But the proportion of GDP, contributed proportion, or the agricultural contribution towards the GDP, showed a decline significantly. But the population which was dependent on agriculture was very high and it was increasing. It was around 65%. So agriculture output could have grown even without this large population, because this was an extra population getting on dependent on the agriculture sector. Now, though the industrial and the service sector could have absorbed the extra labor, but they were unable, and that is why those extra people came to the agriculture sector and got dependent on it, and the result was that we could have worked, we could have gained without this extra labor. So the 65% of the country's population was employed in agriculture even till 1990. And the GDP and contribution to the GDP declined. So that is why they are telling that agriculture was, the involvement of such large proportion of population in agriculture was regarded as an important failure of the policies. As I said, these extra labor were not needed. That is why we have discussed about disguised unemployment, where we can work with 4 laborers. There are 8 laborers on a piece of land. Those extra 4 laborers, their productivity is 0. So this extra labor was happening in the economy, and which was not absorbed by the industrial and the service sector, and they were coming into the agriculture sector. And this high population dependent on the agriculture sector made the policies a big failure of 1950-1990. And that is why the contribution towards GDP also declined. Thank you. Next day we will be moving on to the industrial development part.